In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Stripe. Changing the currency that customers see and pay in can help reduce friction and boost conversions. There are two common approaches in Stripe depending on what you sell and how you present prices. The first is a manual setup for individual products and prices. And the second is an automatic, adaptive approach that updates prices based on the customer's location. If you're managing products and want to offer multiple currencies manually, start by opening the Products section in your Stripe dashboard. Pick the product you want to edit, or create a new price by selecting Add Price. Set your primary price using your default currency, then use the option to Add a Price by Currency to create additional prices in the currencies you want to support. Each price you add is an explicit amount for that currency, which gives you full control over regional pricing, rounding, and margins. This method is particularly useful if you want to set psychologically appealing price points in different markets, or if you need to control tax and rounding behavior precisely. A quick tip: keep a consistent naming and metadata scheme so you can easily identify which price corresponds to which currency in reports and webhooks. For a smoother, more automated customer experience, Stripe also offers an adaptive pricing option that automatically displays prices in a shopper's local currency on checkout pages, payment links, and pricing tables. To enable this, open Settings, then go to Payments and find Currency Conversion or the Adaptive Pricing setting. Turn on Adaptive Pricing, and Stripe will handle displaying the appropriate currency to customers based on location and other signals. This is ideal if you prefer not to manage multiple price objects manually and want the platform to provide a localized experience out of the box. Keep in mind that adaptive pricing may use conversion rates and rules controlled by Stripe. So review how that aligns with your pricing strategy. Whether you choose manual multi-currency prices or adaptive pricing, make sure to test the customer flow after making changes. Preview a checkout in different locales, or use a VPN to confirm how prices appear. Also review settlement and reporting settings to ensure revenues are recorded in the currency and accounts you expect. With these options, you can present appropriate currencies to customers while keeping control over pricing where it matters most.